Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to enable Windows Sandbox in Windows 11 so you can safely test software without affecting your main Windows installation. Before we begin, let's first make sure virtualization is enabled on your computer. Right-click the taskbar and select Task Manager. Go to the Performance tab, then click CPU. On the right side, look for virtualization. If it says enabled, you're ready to continue. If it says disabled, you'll need to enable virtualization in your computer's BIOS or UEFI settings before Windows Sandbox can work. Now, let's enable Windows Sandbox. Open the Start menu and search for Control Panel. Click Programs, then Programs and Features. On the left side, click Turn Windows Features on or off. A new window will appear. Enable the following 4 features: Hyper-V Virtual Machine Platform, Windows Hypervisor Platform, and Windows Sandbox. After selecting them, click OK. Windows will install the required component. This may take a few minutes. When prompted, click Restart Now to restart your computer. After your PC restarts, open the Start menu again and search for Windows Sandbox. Click Windows Sandbox to launch it. The first time you open it, Windows will prepare the virtual environment, which may take a minute. Once it opens, you'll see a clean installation of Windows running in an isolated environment. Now you can copy and paste software installers into the sandbox, install them, and test them safely without making changes to your main Windows installation. When you're finished, simply close Windows Sandbox. You'll be asked if you want to close it because all files, applications, and changes inside the sandbox will be permanently deleted. Click OK, and everything inside the sandbox will be erased automatically. That's it. You have successfully enabled Windows Sandbox in Windows 11. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss future Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.